All right, Ben, thank you so much. I want to talk about tax relief for victims of severe storms, specifically this flood that we're dealing with in South Carolina. Kevin Skipper is with Discipline Financial. Kevin, let's get right to it. If somebody does not have flood insurance, are there casualty losses from the flooding tax deductible?
Well, it is, and the thought is how much is deductible. You want to talk with your tax advisor about these matters, but a key element is, let's say you have $50,000 of losses, and you think, I've got to wait till I file 15's taxes to get that. No, one of the quickest ways to get the money is have your advisor go back and file 14's return with an amended return, put those losses on that return, and that's the quickest way to get some money back with all of these losses. And that's something that many people don't know about, but it is in the provision that came out today from the IRS. We can post all that at the website that has a lot more details.
If somebody is 59 and a half and they have flood damage, can they take money from their IRS or their 401k and avoid that 10% penalty?
I actually got a call from my client who woke up with 2 inches of water on Sunday morning asking the same question, and under the past disasters, the answer has been yes. They've allowed you to take money out of your IRA and avoid the 10% penalty, even if you're younger than that, and even beyond that, take a loan out of your 401k, which normally has a limit of $50,000. That limit is raised to $100,000, and give you a year reprieve before you have to start paying payments back to it.
So many people have lost material possessions, but they've also lost important papers. And if they've lost their insurance papers, their tax records in this flood situation, what do you do with something like that if you don't have a backup copy?
Well, the IRS allows you to actually go to their website and get Form 4506, and right on the top of that, severe storms and flooding in South Carolina in red ink, and put that on the top. They'll actually pay the printing cost and send you a copy of your back tax returns that you've lost. And if that's happened to you, it's good advice to do that so that you have those records for future reference.
All right, excellent. I want to get in one more quick question if I can. A lot of people are giving time and mileage and items to help others in need right now in this natural disaster. And I had somebody earlier asking if she could deduct that from her taxes.
Well, let's break out several items. Time, can't deduct that, okay? Mileage, too, you can at 14 cents a mile. Now, you've got to be dealing with a qualified charity. So if you give cash donation to something like the Red Cross, or you give items to the Red Cross or the Salvation Army, it's got to be a charity. If you're just going out there and handing it to anybody or giving it to a neighbor, then that payment comes when we get to heaven.
Yeah, that's good. I like that. All right, fantastic information. And Kevin mentioned this will be on the website, yes, but I'm also going to put it on my Facebook page, and I'll tweet it out. It's just going to take me a while to get back upstairs and pull this, but this is good information for our viewers.
A lot more details, and some of the other provisions just delay the length of time of your filing dates and when you have to file and your quarterly taxes. So there's a lot of good information in this document on delaying things.
Okay, Kevin, thank you so much. I appreciate that.